everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Morgan and I was accepted into the Disney College program spring 2022 season. I actually have a kind of different, kind of exciting video today. I am here to show you how to create a super organized packing list. I know that packing can be really chaotic, and like if you don't remember where you packed something, you're like, oh my gosh, did I pack it? Did I not pack it? Did I pack it? Where is it? So this is gonna help you with like kind of like eliminate those stresses of like, where did I put this in my packing? So the only tool you're gonna need to make your really organized packing list is either Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. But because a lot of people have Google Sheets, I'm gonna be using Google Sheets for the demonstration of how to create a packing list. So let's get on to it. I moved you guys again. I'm about to do a magic trick. It's gonna be super exciting. Y'all are gonna love it. Ready? Boom! Now I'm in the corner. Isn't that cool? And now you are seeing my Disney College program Google Sheet. So we are gonna start by merging these two cells. So this little thing right here, again, I don't know if you can see my mouse, this thing will merge your cells together. Merge and center, that's what that's called. In here, what? I also love the sound of my keyboard. So if you hear me like clicking it a lot or like aggressively typing, I love the sound of my keyboard, so that's where I'm at. So obviously I put these two things together, so you technically have two cells, like two rows underneath this one row. I'll get to that later. There's a reason for that. So after we do the what I need, after we merge those columns together, there's going to be two columns, A and B. So for right now, I'm going to be working column A. So in column A, I decided to organize everything that I'm bringing by categories. So the first categories I have are clothing basics. So I put literally anything in here that was like clothing related. So I type it in here. Also, what do we want to say? Clothing basics. Basics. Perfect. Awesome. That's how you do it. Okay, so as you can tell, I went in and I put everything that, you know, is a category into my spreadsheet. So for clothing basics, it's obviously going to be like shirts, leggings, socks, underwear, anything that's like really basic. Then I have jackets. I am a huge jacket person. I love jackets. They are my favorite accessory. So I wanted a jacket section specifically for like jean jackets, other jackets, rain jackets. I don't know. I have a lot of jackets. I love jackets. Anyways, I also added a section for fancy clothes. We do have traditions, so I wanted to make sure that I have like a full suit, or I have like a few outfits for traditions. We also have a lot of networking events as well. So I wanted to make sure I have enough fancy clothes. I didn't want to go overboard with the fancy clothes, but you know, I thought I should add it as a section. Then I have shoes right there. Decided to highlight it. Then I have shoes. Obviously, I can't bring every single pair of shoes I own. So I will be bringing like probably a pair of heels, two pairs of sneakers, some sandals, some flip-flops, some junk shoes, who knows? I don't know. I haven't really thought of it yet. Also, little disclaimer, if you're thinking about getting your costume shoes, wait until you get your role, because there are different shoes for different roles. So if you see somebody that like, you know, maybe has the same role and they're like, oh my gosh, get these shoes, just hold off, because Disney can go and change what shoes they want you to wear. So just wait. Then I have accessories, obviously like hats, jewelry, accessories, glasses, sunglasses, everything that fits in that category. Bags, I am putting my Disney backpack, my lunchbox, my work backpack, all my Disney Loungeflies in that section. Toiletries, this is obviously like the bathroom stuff, nothing too crazy. Yeah, bathroom stuff that you would need, like toiletries, like toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, toiletries for your bathroom, floss. Hope y'all floss. So yeah, then I have electronics as my next category. So like computer, laptop, iPad, camera, my other camera, tripod, chargers, headphones, SD cards, everything is going in there. Then I have my kitchen spot. So this is actually super important. I actually found this out the other day. Flamingo Crossings Village does offer 8 plates, 8 bowls, 8 glasses, 8 forks, 8 spoons, 8 knives. They also have a dishwasher, if you didn't know that. So I'm not bringing, oh, they also offer pots and pans. So I'm not bringing, like on my first program, I was literally bringing my whole kitchen set. This time around, I am only bringing the stuff that Flamingo Crossings doesn't offer. So that actually saves me a lot of space in my car, which is fantastic. My next category is the bedroom. And so obviously in this one, I'm going to have like my sheets, my blankets, my pillows, decorations that I'm going to decorate my room with, just like decorations mainly. Nothing too crazy in my bedroom, just like the essentials that you would need in a bedroom. Mattress cover. Also, don't buy a mattress cover until you know where you're living, because technically in the doubles they are a twin XL, and in these single rooms they are a full XL. And I have literally never heard of a full XL, but apparently they exist, so that's fun. So the next category I have is documentation. On your first day of onboarding, literally when you first get there, you're gonna need a lot of documentation, which is including your social security card, your passport. I don't know all the documents. You'll get more information about what kind of documentation you'll need to bring to check-in. So that's gonna go in that section. Don't go crazy if you don't really know what to bring now. I'm gonna put a link in the description below that goes to the Disney College Program support page, and they explain everything and what kind of documents you will actually need. And then random items. This was kind of just I didn't know really where to put this stuff. Random items, things are things that I could like live without if I don't bring them from up here. So that is all my categories. If you want to add more, go ahead. So I'm gonna go over now what goes in column B underneath the what I need. So obviously I left a little space open over here. Did that on purpose. It's so you can write in all of your stuff. So for example, we're gonna look under clothing basics or clothes basics. So obviously we'll do tank tops. Hello, what is this doing? Sorry. I'm doing everything on my iPad, and I've never like really worked with Excel or with Google Sheets on my iPad, so it's different. So obviously I put in tank tops, and you're like, oh my gosh, you ran out of space. Hold on. I did not run out of space, because you can hit this. Wait. Come on. There we go. You can insert a row above. Ta-da! Or a row below. Ta-da! And you can go ahead and type in everything else you would need. What's another basic we need? Shorts. And we'll do, what do we need? Dresses. That could go under fancy clothes, but it's going right here for now. Just for demonstration. So that is literally, so for every section that you have, that's what you're gonna do underneath, is just write what you would need. Obviously you're not just gonna have 3 items. You may have 3 items in one category, but you're obviously not gonna have 3 items under clothing, because that's just not gonna work. So next way to keep yourself organized is in column C. We are going to be writing or typing packed date. Now this is when you pack something, obviously. I found this to be really helpful when I was packing for my trip. So obviously shorts, so when I pack up all my shorts, when I put them into a suitcase, I'm gonna write that I packed all my shorts on this certain date. So for example, I'm going in January, so when do I want to pack? Okay, so I'll pack my pants, what is it? Let's see if this will work, because I don't know if this will work on Excel. 2022. It worked, okay. I didn't know if it was going to try to calculate it or anything. So pack date. Obviously, you can print out this list or you can leave it online. I might print it out personally and write that in, but you can type it in too. So once all my shorts are packed, I am just gonna write the date next to it. And that's how I know that it has been packed already. But there's another thing that we have to get to that is gonna keep you super, super organized as well. So, pack date is super important. If you wanna just leave it at that, you can. If you want to get super, super organized, which this might be going a little bit overboard, but if you want to get super organized, you can write in the suitcases or the stuff that you are bringing. Personally, I am bringing the green suitcase that is right over here. It also has a twin, so I'm bringing its little baby twin. I also have a purple suitcase that will be coming with me, and I have 2 clear storage bins. I am also bringing just a cardboard box for like regular stuff, or just like if I need more room. I am also bringing a purse full of my documents, so I am going to, add a section for purses. So under column D, I am going to write suitcase 1, which is, and then I'm definitely going to label it too, because if I write suitcase 1, I'm gonna be like, what the heck? What kind of suitcase is that? So I wrote in suitcase 1. Now, technically, you can take a color, and let's see, what color do I want to use? Ooh, we'll use pink. Is that pink? Awesome. So, say if I had another suitcase in here, let's just type in suitcase 2, small green. You can also extend these two just by hitting the top part. There we go. Just so everything like fits in. So obviously you can do this with a highlighter if you choose to print it out as well. But I'm just going to do it on Excel for right now because I don't have a printout with me. So you can write in the pack date, and then you can write in, or you can color in which suitcase you packed it in. So say if I packed my shorts on January 3rd and I packed them in the green suitcase. That now I know that they're definitely in there, and everything shorts related is packed in that suitcase. Now let's say, for example, dresses. When did I pack my dresses? Let's see, December 28th. We'll do that. 2021. That's when I packed my dresses. Say, for example, I'm not going to put them in the suitcase, but say I put them in, ooh, what color do I want to use now? This is so exciting. We'll use blue. Say if I packed my dresses in the smaller green suitcase. Now I fully know that they are packed away and that I don't have to worry about, unpacking or be like, oh my gosh, where the heck did I pack my dresses? Because now I know they were packed, all my dresses that I'm bringing were packed on December 28th, and they were packed in the green small suitcase. So I don't have to worry about going through and rummaging and, This might be a little bit OCD, for a lot of people, but it keeps me very organized. This honestly is just something that I can work on that just gets me super excited, and so I'm not twiddling my thumbs or like last minute trying to pack. Yeah, I'm sorry if this is a little OCD for some people, but this is just like a super way, or a super organized packing, or a way to pack that will kind of eliminate the stress of, oh my goodness, where did I put something? If you want to use it, perfect. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you took something away with this, and I hope that, you maybe give it a try if you're super OCD and super organized like me. Give it a try. Let me know in the comments if you really like it. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys have a magical day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!